guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is November 23rd, right before Thanksgiving. Not sure when this vlog is gonna go live, but you will know the day that it is currently because it is November 23rd and I'm just in the city. Actually, I'm at a hotel. It is the Standard in the East Village. I did a day rental because I am shooting a campaign for Betsy Johnson. It actually is like so dark out already and it's only about 4 o'clock, which is crazy. And I think I literally have seasonal depression because I've been like so sad these last couple days with the sun setting early and things like that. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. I don't talk a lot on my vlogs just because I'm running around and documenting my day-to-day, but things have been very, very hectic. I feel like you can kind of hear it in my voice. I've been very overwhelmed, all good things. So it's hard to complain about being overwhelmed because I'm just working a lot and I'm really busy. Today launched my holiday collection, which is incredible and such a surreal moment, but I would feel even happier than I do because I am really happy, but I've just been so stressed out and overwhelmed lately that I don't even feel as happy as I wish that I did about this. Because the collection is so beautiful. I worked so hard on it, so long on it too, for so many months. It's just so stunning, but I don't know. I've just been so stressed out lately and overwhelmed, and I'm trying to kind of like get back to my happy place. And I'm a very happy person usually. Obviously, if you've been following me for a while, I'm just like a generally optimistic person, but I've just been feeling, I think with the overwhelmedness and the stress of everything, I've been feeling very alone lately. Just because I feel like I, need to, maybe 2022 goals is reworking my team a little bit. And, if you work with me now, this is not against anyone. I have the most amazing assistants and stuff like that. And I'm so thankful for Dave. Dave's incredible and has been, helping me out a lot lately. But I just haven't been feeling as supported as I need to be with everything I do, because everything that I do, is very stressful. Everything's on me. I do everything. So I feel like 2022 goals, I just need to work on building out my team more so that I don't feel like everything is on me, so that I can enjoy the creative aspect of everything a little bit more, because at the end of the day, I love being creative. That's what I love. I love styling. I love writing. I love, everything. Photography, creative direction, putting together wild, crazy, colorful outfits. That's what I love, and that's what gives me joy and brings me joy. But obviously, I run a business, so I need to be focused on the business aspect of things. But it's been very overwhelming lately, and I feel like one of the biggest things that one of my bosses at Teen Vogue taught me was, you can't do everything yourself. You need to learn how to delegate things. Also, my arms look so big in this sweater. My shoulders look huge. It's just learning how to delegate things. And I feel like, I don't open up a lot on social media with you guys. I just show the good of a lot of things, but I think YouTube can kind of be my outlet where I can sit and talk to you guys a little bit more and, share what I'm going through and dealing with. And, with that being said, it's hard for me to open up and even share the things I'm dealing with mentally and emotionally, just because I know people have it so much worse than I do. And I am very, very blessed and so lucky to get to do what I do. And I do love it so much, so I feel even bad complaining about how stressed I am or about how overwhelmed I am, because there are people in much worse situations than I am. So that's why it's hard for me to open up, because I never want to come across as ungrateful or anything like that. So that's just how I've been feeling a little bit lately. And if you've been following me, you probably have no idea because I don't talk about it or really address, the stress that I'm under, or the stress that I'm going through, or feeling alone, or, not good enough, or things like that. So, anyway, sips my iced tea. I have to head home in a few minutes. I did a day use rental, as I mentioned, to shoot the Betsy Johnson campaign. It is 4:04, and I need to check out at 5 o'clock. So I'm just packing up. Jenna, my assistant, was with me. She headed out because she's heading home for Thanksgiving. And I just stayed in here alone for a little bit and edited some videos. And honestly, it felt nice just to be by myself, no distractions, and just edit some videos. So now I am mostly packed up. This is my bag that I literally bring everywhere when I have shoots. It's amazing, and it literally fits everything. It's from Longchamp. And yeah, have my huge garment bag, and I'm gonna grab an Uber and head home. And I am going to try my best to unplug a little bit during Thanksgiving and to just enjoy the time doing nothing and relaxing and trying to work on finding my happiness and working on just my mental health and my stress. So I hope you guys all have a great Thanksgiving. Obviously, this is going to be posted a week or two after Thanksgiving. So by the time you're seeing this, it'll probably be closer to Christmas. So happy holidays. Love you guys. Thank you for listening to me and being my therapists. But I hope you're all okay and doing well, and I'll see you guys soon.